Steak. We do have steak. You know, we have a whole variety of plates at Gnocco. We got pasta, we got gnocchi, we got steak, we got salmon, we got gnocchi. Gnocchi, that's not, yo, for everybody who says gnocchi's pasta, gnocchi's not pasta. Gnocchi's mashed potatoes made into a sort of kind of pasta.
Okay.
Alright, just letting y'all know.
They be talking trash?
Yo, they don't know what they're talking about, you know?
So who are you, man? We gotta figure out who this kid is, man.
Yo,
is this your hood right now, or your hood is not here?
It really depends how you put it, you know? I'm Leoh My God, you know? I'm a kid that comes from New York, Manhattan, New York, East Village, LES, Lower East Side. And I moved to Italy, and now I'm back here 10 years later, and I want to get shit popping, you know? So, it really depends. I'm Mr. Worldwide. I'm the new Mr. Worldwide, you know? So, yeah, I'll show y'all around, you know? We'll go eat, you know, fine dining, some steak, some pasta, maybe something to drink too, you know?
Facts. We at the bar right now anyway, son.
Milano's, look at that.
Milano's, Italy shit.
Milano.
You're from Milano, bro?
I'm from Vedano, ok? Tutti I miei ragazzi di Vedano all'Ambra, alzate la mano. Siamo qua.
Piece of pasta mafia shit. Yo, look at this spot. What the fuck is this shit? They got real tangos, yo. This shit, man. Leoh don't know nothing about that.
Trying to get it in a New York minute. Said I'm dead ass. If it's about the cash, then my crew will win it. These niggas frozen, we too authentic. We get the red fast, nigga.
You don't gotta turn it down, nigga.
You try to make me pay. Fuck it, all of this life forward.
I couldn't was like all behind her. She was just look. Say it again?
Yo, you gonna need some gnocco today.
Alright.
I see, like, you know, just get something, like, on me, you know? It's whatever, like, you know? It's just it's the lifestyle, it's the lifestyle. Bad tip.
You know me, mommy, I'm not finna get your spot blown. Clocking so low, my six is looking like I got cracks on the block.
Fleece sneakers, core pieces. When I fled polices, fuck 'em. I got no love for the force. My heart cold like North Force. Being alone.
Yo, this is my deli. This is my deli. This is where the chopped cheese.
They don't got chopped cheese here. They got chopped cheese here, son. This shit, I ain't gonna lie to you. This deli look mad uncultured, my guy.
Nah, bro. This is the deli that's going to.
Yeah, look at this deli. It's not how the deli looks at. It looks like in the hood.
Yo, chill.
Good shit, bro. They don't even got fried wings. They don't even got fried wings for you to have right now. Where the fried wings at, man?
Bro, ask for them and they got you, bro.
I'm pretty sure in the back, but where the fried wings at? I don't even see.
Like,
they don't even got fried wings, bro. Look at the side. Look at the side. Look at that shit. They don't even got fried wings, bro.
Trust me, they do.
This is crazy.
Nah, this is where I used to get milk for.
This deli mad clean. He talking about, oh, this is my deli. Nah, let me stop. But nah, this shit is alright, man.
Oh, you didn't see? A while ago. True Italian. This is where the magic happens. This is where the magic happens.
Okay, cold fire joint.
Yeah. Yo, how are you, bro? I'm chilling. Yo, pop out. Look. Now we're doing a video. Yo, pop out. Yo.
What up?
Get the show. Yo, get Claudia, get Claudia. Hello, everybody.
How are you?
Hola, how are you? Yo. Alright, let's go sit down.
Alright,
This is a restaurant, you know. This is where the magic happens. That's where the pasta gets made. There's a basement downstairs too.
The real Italian shit, huh? This shit hard. I can't hold you. Look at this fucking restaurant.
It's gonna be our spot.
It's gonna be our spot?
You want me to go in the basement?
I want to go with you. That's the
Oh, alright. Hey! Yeah, I think I'm gonna get pasta.
word.
Yeah.
I low-key want this filet mignon, but this guy's saying I can't get it type shit. You know what I mean? Like he don't got powers.
Nah.
Like
Yo,
he's
this
not
on
the
the
son of
dinner
the
menu,
dawn.
bro. Like,
It's all good, man.
yo. Have you ever seen a truffle pizza? No, you haven't. But now you have. Gnocco, truffle pizza. Crazy. You seen a margarita this beautiful? You know who Margarita is, bro? You don't. Oh, you're vegetarian? You want vegetarian pizza? We have that. We have that. You want al salame piccante? You want some little, you know, some little sausage? Some spicy sausage? This is for you.
We got that.
You want some affumicata?
We got that.
Some sausage, bro? Good. Quattro formaggi? You're a cheese person? We have that. Amatriciana? We have that. You don't even know what that is, bro. Like, I'm just this is a whole new way. Whole new way. Parmigiana, yo. Marinara. You don't like that much? We could just put some sauce and some garlic.
Alright, let's order. You're just talking a lot right now, my guy. That's what I'm gonna get. You already know. From Branzino. You know what I mean?
Got this?
Real shit, huh? Real Italian shit, son. Branzino. Branzino.
Yes, sir. Peace, everybody. Ciao,
Peace,
ciao.
peace, peace.
Ciao, ciao.
No way.
Yeah, it's a camcorder.
My brother.
Yeah, we're
I
shooting a
haven't
video
seen-
for him.
I haven't seen one of these in a little bit.
Yeah, we're shooting a video for
All
him.
right, all right.
Ciao, Pedro.
She was alright. You seen that shit?
I said spec, always on the lookout.
Oh, heard you. Always trying to, at least. You see that? You see, I got it in regular fashion, right? Now I feel way more comfortable, B. You know what I mean? I was dying in this sweatpants outfit, but I guarantee you, in like 2 hours, it's gonna get beat brick out here.
Nah, 2 hours, nah.
Maybe later on tonight, like 6.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. Probably not time like passed, bro, and I got older. It was just like, she loves me type shit.
Yo, give me a free blueberry, son.
You don't even have that. What do you mean?
What do you mean? What you mean? Y'all don't got
Blueberry? Where's blueberry? Where do you see blueberry?
that? Blue Hawaii shit. I'm gonna get the blue Hawaii.
Blue Hawaii?
You got peanut butter cup toppings like Reese's?
I think so.
Yeah, let me put that on top if you can.
Someone's just getting everything.
You said toppings. I'm like, alright, yeah.
I don't even work anymore.
Make you night, I fuck around and blow your candlelight. I'm cocky out. It's my kingdom, Alexandra type.
This is my crib.
This not your crib. Word, look at this shit. My man living lavish out here. Why you? Yo, we gotta go to the rooftop. That ass.
Yo, go.
Rooftop vibes.
Look at the name. Which one do you think is me?
Giovanetti. Giovanetti. That shit's hard though. Yeah, man.
Blow your candlelight, I conquer y'all. This my kingdom, Alexandra type. Yo, I'm feeling like Columbus, cause I'm lost in my thoughts and I can't find my compass. But I find myself when I smoke blunts and I make a ruckus. Yo, just a little shit, then you go, I flush it.
Yo, you know I wanted to get some
I'd probably cop
Nike
these,
trainers.
because that's just me, 120. I'd probably cop these. I mean, come on, but I'm retro, son. You hear what they listen to? That was West Side.
Yo, that was West Side. This is Stove God.
This shit comes with a toothbrush.
Oh my god. Damn. So you stay clean.
This shit is hard though. Nah, but
So you
come
stay
with a
clean.
toothbrush shit is crazy, bro. I mean, they got mid top, bro. Look, actually, they have a high top here. You sure they don't got it? They probably don't got it in your size
My
though.
size.
All right. Well, what you doing? What we doing? You wanna go to another spot, or you wanna support your man?
Yeah.
Yeah, these beef and broccolis is crazy, son. Look at this shit. Look at these. Nah, I need these, son. Start working at Snipes, I need these.
Yeah.
Back. This is hard. Look at all these. Look at the little baby beef and broccoli, son. Little kids.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo.
Look at that Lakers drinks. What? What's going on?
Look at the small ass ones, yo. I didn't see
Look at
that.
the greens, man. This shit's crazy. Yeah, man, I feel like Clark's was holding me back, man. I feel like I didn't know what was going on in the world, so. These are like the low cut, 5 below joints, 40 below, I mean.
Yeah. Oh, they still got the Yeezys though. They still got the Yeezys.
Okay, why don't you cop them?
Nah, I'm not copping them, but it's like, you know, like, they still got the Yeezys
Hardly.
after all that.
They probably just need to sell out.
Nah, bro. I'm not gonna do this in time.
It's fine, it's all good. I wanted you to do it when it was quiet. It's all good. I only got 2 minutes of.
Like what he was doing was something that was normal. As if like this is not nothing that's abnormal. And I feel like his life should be a cautionary tale to a lot of you men, before we wrap up, bro, to stay on your ish, man. Like no amount of success is good enough. I'll be real with you, right? The only amount of success that you should really hold on to is a balance. Like not just balance, man, balance and happiness. See, no matter how far you've gotten, it's never too late to check yourself and figure out, okay, am I right? Am I right? See, this man was a multi-millionaire at a really early age. Had a lot of success.
We did what?
We got this shit done.
Did we?
Yo. Me and Retro, then we had a mission, bro. Like, a month passed, we didn't do anything for a month. And now we just got, so many songs. We got a whole video, we got so much shit. So, I'm happy. We got that shit done, like, in a week. So, props to us, props to Retro, But I'm happy.
We got this fucking shit done, son.
We got this shit done.
There we go. There it is. There it is.
There it is. Yo. Bon appetit.
Bon appetito.